Because if you don't do that, nothing works. It gets too complicated.
嗱，你一拍嗰個重心已經上咗呢度，你垂直咧就聚手就好辛苦。
慢動作，慢動作，慢動作。
或者你呢個 angle， 咁即係好大部分就呢度落喺呢度，咁你嚟聽都知啦，唔使死咁慢喎。
喂，有啲人即係而家有好多啲架撐喎，佢先
係啊，而家 grab 嗰啲好啲啦。
墨水哥仔真係一個墨水哥仔，佢有咧係有你幫佢哋啲架喎。
The other one you never ever want back.
佢哋不過而家有好多補助。
So you have no chance to come in the way.
因為你嘅手一鬆咧，一鬆佢就打落去啦，所以你要頂住我嘛，頂住我哋打就打。
He's doing trick shots.
Yeah, exactly.